This is Tai Tong Restaurant on Lebuh Cintra in Georgetown. One of Penang's last old-school yum cha houses. It's always busy. Locals, families, tourists, regulars. You take a queue number first, then wait to be seated. We waited about 10 minutes. 30 minutes wait isn't unusual on weekends. Walk in and the rhythm hits you fast. Pushcarts rolling between tables. Aunties calling out dishes. Steam rising from bamboo baskets. It feels like the 1970s never quite left the room. The dining hall is bright and open. No air conditioning here, just fans, open shutters, and rows of paper lanterns overhead. Warm, but manageable in the early morning. Come before 7:30 a.m. That's when the full spread appears. After 8:30, popular items sell out. Its evening service is even more limited. Service here is old school. Many staff have worked here for decades. They expect you to keep up. For locals, this feels normal. For first-timers, it can feel intimidating. Once seated, keep your order sheet. You'll need it for getting your food. Some dishes come from pushcarts like this, others from specific counters like this one. For counter dishes, you carry them back to your table. Tea arrives first, an essential part of yum cha. Hot tea cuts through oil and richness. It keeps the meal balanced. House teas include tea guan yin and pu'er. Cheong comes next, soft, silky, and light. The texture is the point here, gentle and clean tasting. Congee follows. It's simple, soothing, and familiar. A grounding bowl between richer dim sum dishes. Lo mai gai arrives next. Sticky rice, chicken, sausage, mushrooms, fragrant, hearty, and comforting. This is a dim sum classic. Chicken feet or phoenix claws, gelatinous and deeply savory. Westerners find this squeamish, but many Chinese Malaysians grew up with this. Steamed tofu with minced meat, ultra soft, delicate, comforting. A quiet dish that balances the heavier flavors. Fish paste in bitter gourd, more of a yong tau fu dish than dim sum. The bitterness is mellowed by cooking. It refreshes the palate. Shrimp wrapped in tofu skin appears next. Crispy outside, juicy inside, generously filled with prawns. Egg tarts sell out fast here in Tai Tong. It is flaky and freshly baked. If you're lucky, a server might hold one aside for you. We end with osmanthus jelly, light, floral, gently sweet. A clean finish to a heavy breakfast. Most baskets cost around 7 to 8 ringgit. Moderate but fair. It's below chain restaurant prices, but above kopitiam dim sum. We paid 79 ringgit and 20 cents for 2 people. Tai Tong is loud, imperfect, and sometimes confusing. But it is unmistakably real. It's Penang, vibrant and still moving. One bamboo steamer at a time.